Hey, welcome to the Sunbelt Rentals Workshop. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to go over how to safely use a 16-inch battery-powered chainsaw. You can make smooth and efficient cuts on small and mid-sized trees and branches with the powerful 16-inch battery-powered chainsaw. Also, battery-powered chainsaws are perfect for cleaning up storm damage because they are lighter and easier to use than gas chainsaws. Now before we jump in, let's review some very important safety instructions. To protect yourself, you should wear safety glasses, reinforced leather gloves, protective footwear, chaps, and a helmet with ear protection. Check the level of oil in the chain oil tank before using the chainsaw. Oil keeps the chain lubricated and running smoothly. A Sunbelt Rentals team member can help you choose the best option. Remove the protective cover from the chain and inspect it carefully. The chain should be about 1/8 of an inch tight. Wedge a nickel between the chain and the bar to check the tension. You should be able to pull out the nickel with little resistance. A chain will naturally loosen as it warms and wears. If it's loose, you can tighten the tension screw at the base of the bar. Simply loosen the guide bar nuts and tighten the tension screw. Then, retighten the guide bar nuts. A loose chain is always a safety concern, so be sure to check it prior to each use. This chainsaw is battery operated. Make sure you are using only the battery provided and that it is charged before each use. Put the battery in the battery holder. You'll hear an audible click once it's locked in. Before you start the chainsaw, you will need to put it on a flat surface. Push the brake forward with your left hand until it engages. You can pull it back toward the handle to unlock it. Push and hold the start-stop button until the LED light comes on. You're ready to make your first cut. Pick up the chainsaw and hold the front handle with your left hand, with your arm straight and elbow locked. Put your right hand on the rear handle, arm slightly bent. Get in position with legs apart for balance and disengage the brake to unlock it. After you're done cutting, turn off the ignition switch and set the chainsaw down in a safe place. Wipe any debris off the saw before putting the protective cover back on. So that covers everything for the battery-powered chainsaw. If you need additional assistance, check the operational manual or call 844-SBR-TOOL. You can rent this and thousands of other tools and equipment in-store, online, or in-app at Sunbelt Rentals. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and see us again before your next job or project.